Hello! Ready for a new interesting fact? Have you ever seen a volcano that erupts with vivid blue flames instead of red lava? In Indonesia, Kawah Ijen volcano emits electric blue fire at night due to sulfur gases igniting upon contact with air. These striking blue flames can reach temperatures above 600 degrees Celsius, 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit. Workers risk their lives collecting sulfur amidst this stunning yet dangerous environment. Visiting this volcano feels like stepping onto another planet. Would you dare get close to a blue flaming volcano? Like this video for more breathtaking geological wonders.